Hey, Spencer here, and I wanted to quickly show you how to transfer VHS to DVD with a Toshiba DVD VCR. The model of the combo I'll be using is D-VKR3, but this process will work for many different models. Let's first look at the rear panel and understand the ports. Starting from the right, there is a coaxial connection for receiving TV channels, both the input and the output. Next to that, there is a composite audio-video input for recording to DVD or VHS. Next to that is the connection I recommend using when connecting it to your TV, the composite audio-video output. Then there is a component video output with its audio output. Then you have optical and coaxial digital audio. These are generally used when connecting it to a sound system. Lastly, there is S-video. This model was manufactured in October of 2004. On the front panel, the power button is off to the left. Surrounding the power button, there is a secret door. When opened, you are given access to the progressive button for toggling the progressive scan function. Then you have an S-video and composite audio-video input and DV input for recording from another source, such as a camera. Next to the secret door is the channel button. Then you have the DVD open-close button. Off to the right side, there are a few buttons. The DVD VCR button for switching which drive you want to view on the TV, the time slip button, record button, rewind, stop, play/pause, and fast forward. Next to that, you have the dubbing buttons. Just press to DVD to begin transferring tape to disc. You can also record DVD to VHS, but you probably won't want to do this. Then you have the eject button. This is the original remote control for it. It is very well designed and the buttons are very well placed. Now that we've gone over the basics, let's get it set up. Connect one end of a red, white, and yellow cable to the output on the back of the VCR and connect the other end to the input on the TV. Now let's start recording. Insert a blank DVD. This machine requires DVD minus R discs, so that is what I will be using. Then insert the tape that you will want to copy. Once both decks have loaded, push the to DVD button. You can use the front panel or the remote for that step. The machine will begin recording. It will stop recording when you push stop, when the disc is full, or when the tape has reached its end. When the recording is stopped, you can view what you have recorded so far. When you are done recording, there is one more step, which is the most important step. You will need to finalize the disc, otherwise it will not load in other devices. To finalize, first make sure you are controlling the DVD side and press the menu button on the remote. Then select Disk Manager, then Finalize. This may take as long as 20 minutes, but it often only takes 5 minutes. Once the finalization is complete, you can review your work in the menus. Now it will load on most DVD players, Blu-ray players, and game consoles. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to enjoy more similar content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you liked the video, please leave a like. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment down below. Thanks again, and I'll see you later.